In this video, I'll show you how to make a copy on your HP LaserJet M234sdw. There's two ways on how do you do this, since this printer over here has two scanners. If you have multiple pages, you'll need to place them in this automatic document feeder. I'll show you how in just a few seconds. And if you have just one paper, one page, you're going to open this scan bed. You're going to place facing down with the top part of your page towards the left side, you see, if I hold it like this. And then you're going to make sure that this corner of the scanner and this paper are aligned. So you're going to push them until both are touching. Now close this lid. And over here on this panel, make sure your printer is turned on. We're going to wake up the screen by pressing once on the eye icon. And now with the plus and minus, you're going to select how many copies you want. I just want one, so I'll make sure that one is selected. And here we'll have two options. If what you have placed there is a normal paper, just a sheet of paper, well, you're going to press this button. If it's an ID, you're going to press the ID button. Mine is just a normal paper, so I'll press this. Extend this paper tray. And here we got a copy of what we have placed on the scan bed. Now, if you have a document with multiple pages like this one, you're going to take them, okay, align them, open this top document feeder, make sure that these tabs over here, you see, you push them to the side. Put your document facing up, all the pages facing up with the top part towards the left side. Do not put any staples, do not put any paper clip in this scanner because it will get jammed and damaged. Simply glide your paper like that, okay? And next, over here, we're gonna wake up the screen. You can select the same way how many copies you want. If you click on the three dots, I forgot to tell you, but you can do it with the other scanner as well. You'll be able to select how much contrast you want. Then press on the three dots again. This icon over here means if you want to enlarge whatever is on your paper, you can select. So you have, let's say you want to zoom in. If you want to zoom out, go with the minus. This is up to you. I'll keep it to 100, and if you press on the three dots, you will be back to copies. When you're ready, press the copy button. Don't touch anything. Every pages will be scanned one by one. And at the same time, it will start printing. So this is it. This is how you use the copy machine of this HP LaserJet M234sdw. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.